Number 20. A set of data is represented by a scatter plot in the portion of the xy plane shown. Which of the following linear equation best fits the data? So all we gotta do is find the equation of the line of best fit. And so we can take any of these points and plug it into one of these equations. So I'm gonna choose that point, and I'm gonna plug in the x value, which is 5.2, into these equations, and the y value of the equation should be pretty close to 95. So I'm gonna start off with the first answer choice. That's gonna be y equals negative 15.2 plus 1.6 times 5.2. And so I just put that into my calculator. And that's gonna give me like negative 6.88. And so that y value is like way off from 95. So that means that A can't be right. And so if I plug in 5.2 for choice B, then you get 23.52. But that's also still pretty off from 95, so that's also probably not right. And then for choice C, if I plug the x coordinate in, it's gonna give me 68, which is also pretty off from 95. So C is probably wrong, and that means that it's gotta be D. But let me just check. So 15.2 plus 16 times 5.2. 15.2 plus 16 times 5.2. That's gonna give me 98.4. And so it's gotta be D because that's the closest to the 95. So D is the answer.